Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the parameters in your SmartV configuration to set up access control and allow certain users to see or not to see certain elements or pages on your portals. So let's go into our SmartV configuration, and here I've configured my contacts to be able to log in to this portal experience using their unique email. And then on this last step, we were able to add in a parameter. Now this will allow us to determine what their identity is in Salesforce, and then based on that identity, be able to show or hide elements or pages or even pushes and gets from the portal. So what I have done here, I'll just restart, turn on access control, and it's going to have you create a new parameter. And this is the SmartV permission parameter. And then you can set what field in Salesforce will be determining their status for this portal. So I'm going to use department. And then I'm going to say that if they are in the technology department, then they will not see the event attendance management page, to make it really simple. And then when I go into access control, I'm able to create a new rule. So guest user is anyone who is not logged into the portal yet. And then fallback role is the standard for anyone who does not meet the criteria of the new role that we're creating. So I'll call this role tech department. And I can tell that someone is in the tech department because their department value will equal technology. So that is why I put it there. And then if I want to hide a certain page, I am able to do that. So let's say in the header for event attendance management, I'm just going to hide it. And then event attendance management, I can go through here and hide all these things too. But he won't be even able to get to this page because it's not on the header. But now this is hidden for him and he cannot do this. I could also have him unable to push or get certain records in Salesforce, so you can see all of these gets that are running, and we can have them be disabled as well. So this is a really cool way to limit the access of your users if you have different identities of users who will be using your portal and you want them to have different experiences within it. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.